let's take it for a ride. And I can tell you, I like the pickup on it already. Okay, so the fender's rubbing. Okay, I personally like this better than a zone, just because it fits me better. I like how I lean over a little bit, and it's got a little better pickup, I think, because it's lighter. And again, this is the lead acid, but it's got some good takeoff, kind of like the Night. I feel like the Night also takes off a little quicker. These tires definitely feel different. What's the front noise? We have to adjust the fender. See, Ride the Wind, we're not overproduced here, like, at all. Like, if you got your Nomado in a crate from us because we shipped it to Alberta or wherever, like, this is what you're gonna feel. So the fender needs to be adjusted. You see how it's too close? I think that's gonna need some tappy tap somewhere. Let's see if I adjusted it. Oh, I did it, I did it. All right. Kind of like a bicycle fender, it's metal, right? So you just kind of give it, it'll bend and keep it. So now we're quiet. I like that. It's actually insanely quiet. You hear nothing. I wonder what that is. It's a comfortable, cool ride. Not too much like a zone, but in my opinion, obviously a better style than a Night. The Night's kind of like, it's been around for a while. I think they could have done a little bit better with like the grips. Like the mirrors are often urban. Levers are just a plain, they're not adjustable. So I bet they might come up with an upgraded version if these do really well. But at the same point, that's what keeps this bike at $27.99, right? If you want to add a lot more lights and cruise control and different mirrors, then it's going to drive the price up to over $3. And I think at $27.99, that's the right price for it. So I like it. Well done. Those are neat tires. Pretty stiff rear suspension. Neat. Thanks for watching. I like it.